My name is Sunshine, and when I was a kitten, my life turned around. Everything in my life used to be normal. Everything. Till one day, October 31st. I was in our living room with my mom, talking. We just got our new pet unicorn on Fluff a few months ago. It was almost time for bedtime. And just as I was going to my room, bam! A sudden shock. My mom didn't feel it because she seemed perfectly normal. I walked away wondering it. When I got to my room and laid my head down, I had a strange dream. Back then I thought it was only a dream. Turns out it wasn't just a dream. That strange spirit, that strange Saint Bernard has been haunting me ever since. I was only about 4 years old, but I've been having that dream since I could remember. But it gotten worse over the years. And I was hoping that one day it would stop. But the nightmare didn't stop. I just had to get rid of it. But I didn't know how to back then. I didn't know how to. Where is my stinking food? I simply requested some raspberry lemonade with strawberries. Where the heck is my flippin' frying food? Fluff, calm down. Hey, you're the one who's feeding me. Yeah. That was me in the future. After I grew up being a kitten. I want my stinking food. Give me my stinking food right now. No. You said no to me? Yeah. Are you gonna get it? Oh. You're going down. Quit it before I make cotton candy out of you. No, please don't. Please don't. Fine then, just quit it. Sunshine, get her food. Fine. Here, a magical dead bunny. Is it made of candy? Sure. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom. Die, you bunny! Die! Oh, boy. Thank you. Let's check the news. Hi. Hi. Forget him. Hi, I'm Bree. You may all know me because I starred in that popular DSI game. LPS Purple Stars. Duh. Anyway, we've got some news for you. A strange figure has been on the loose. And ever since he was spotted, well, there's been a mass of crimes going throughout the city. Here's a description of him. Or her. We're not exactly sure which gender this pet is. Shocking, right? Remember, that was just a wax sculpture of what he would look like. It was not the real thing. Oh, let me guess. It's that Saint Bernard from your dream. Yes! Why don't you believe me? It's just a nightmare. It's no big deal. It isn't just a nightmare. You could be out there, haunting me forever. Did you hear that? Hear what? I heard something. Something strange. That was probably me. Fluff, did you fart again? No. That's it, you're grounded. Oh, maybe it's just a dream. I should just forget it.